The day one session of the National Peace Project Workshop, organized by the Ecumenical and Social Relations Department of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, led by its director, Reverend Andrews J. Tay Ojawo, focused on reconciliation, mediation, and peace building as key responses to insecurity. Delivering the first lecture, Reverend Dr. Emmanuel Bedu Amwa, Executive Secretary of the Ashanti Regional Peace Council, emphasized the critical role of the church in promoting peace and resolving conflicts within communities.
It is very important for us to know that it takes moral authority, which becomes the grassroots and effective means to make a society very peaceful.
He highlighted the need for the church to take a proactive role in mediation efforts, noting that reconciliation remains central to addressing growing insecurity in society.
The church is well positioned to address the underlying causes of insecurity while critically examining its own role. Again, the church involved in promoting peace and reconciliation is rooted in identity as a community that, through the work of Christ, embedded in a divine peace, we can let the people in the community know who we are. The concept serves as a fundamental basis for believers, as act of serving humanity is equated with serving God.
The lecture was followed by a practical workshop session where participants were taken through hands-on approaches to reconciliation and mediation. The interactive session, equipped by Presbytery Ecumenical and Social Relations Directors and Youth in Peace Initiative Project Coordinators with practical skills to manage conflict and foster peace at the grassroots level.
To get you to have an assessment of the church. Has the church contributed in any way to insecurity in Ghana? And how have we done this? We're glad to know how we have contributed to the insecurity in our country. Thank you very much.
The workshop forms part of a broader program aimed at strengthening the church's contribution to national peace building efforts.
As we come in Asante Presbytery, Department of Ecumenical and Social Relations, ESR, your workshop on reconciliation, mediation, and peace building. Now, and I'm about Asante Presbytery for the next 3 days. So, Okwanya ebe faswa ebe buama asumdwe aba. We are here IBC basa yimu. Ghana ebi wo ha na we are here afana nyina. Yekrom yemman mu emunjoye. Ese na ba wi asafana nyina say the insecurity no doso. Enu nti you have come to deliberate. Okwan be faswa e nyina be transfer asumdwe mu. Matthew chapter 5 verse 9 says, "Blessed are the peacemakers." In shano wonga ope asumdwe. Mo na be fru Nyankopon ma. Enu nti nyina ye pasumdwe, ye masumdwe hu dawura. Ya setan enya setan pa na asum ye ntimi nsum nyame se ne ese. Enu nti workshop yi mo ba se be hwe kokwan be fa so na kan ho abom. Na ya pe asumdwe nso enwo ankrankra ene ye ni Nyankopon tem. Enu nti na nsan yi a ene nanan obedi wo ha yi. Djuma ye be ya ne se ye be hwe kwan betima fa so se Christopher ye se ye na ye si Nyankopon na wasasi so. Na se nyame oya so na ode asumdwe ma yen na ode nkabom ba ya. Ye se ye hwehwe ye ne yonkunum nkabom. Eni nuanom nkabom se ne be ya setapa bekoso. Enu nti na anopa yi the general moderator and clerk of the General Assembly and Nemo na ebie workshop ya no yes Erade say nobody will hey na be yenhra na no beka bia be boa ye metimi so akọ na akọbọ asomdwe hu dawuro ESR directors na coordinators youth in peace initiative na kambo medi sa adwuma yi yes Erade so kan ye no moye na ka be hwie no ni nyame my new sense of direction etimi aye akasafo kuku dam ebe kasa cheye ye papa sofo opuni frempon ena ye papa amoa omina ye asofo mo ka sumdwe ho asem bo asumdwe ho dawuro ye se bade so ka ho no kasa cheye onfa wo mu kasa cheye na ye be hwie no nyame aboa yɛn yɛtumi akɔtoa so na hyɛ media animuonyam awurade nka mo nyinaa ho awurade nhyira mo na dom nti amen.
Since the church recognized their role, and in fact, when I received the invitation, I was so happy that a church had a mission of reconciliation, mediation, and peace building. The role of insecurity that the church need to help in building peace in Ghana and even bringing the program in Ashanti region was also something that made me so happy. Looking at it critically, we learned so many things that we think as a nation that we can bring change as a church. And our role has been defined because when you look at ADR Act 798, the place where mediation is needed, the church has a responsibility there. And in that, we can use that since we are in all the communities and we can affect the people too that we are with. Presbyterian Church of Ghana having this institution and initiative is a profound thing that I think the church have to imitate so that building peace going forward, it will continue to enhance the peace building infrastructure that we have in this country.